Hey guys, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with a Pythagoras question. Now, they've said to us, in triangle DEF, angle E is equal to 90 degrees, which we see over there. DE is equal to 7 meters, which they've already indicated for us, and EF is equal to 24 meters, which they've already indicated for us. Now they've said to us, use the theorem of Pythagoras to calculate the length of DF. Which is really kind of them, because they could have just said to us, calculate the length of DF. Now, what does Pythagoras mean? We know that Pythagoras means that the square of the hypotenuse, which is DF, is equal to DE squared plus EF squared. So let's put that into mathematics. So we know that DF squared is equal to DE squared plus EF squared. Now, we don't know what DF is. That's the point of this question. So we're going to put in DE, which we know is 7 squared. And we know that EF is 24 squared. So we leave the DF squared as is. Now, we need to simplify the right-hand side. So the first thing we need to do is square these numbers, then we can add them. So 7 squared is 49. And 24 squared is, I'm going to put that in my calculator quick, is equal to 576. So 576, and we still don't know what DF squared is. Now let's add 49 and 576 together, and that gives us 625 is equal to DF squared. Now we need to try and get this DF by itself by removing that squared. So what's the opposite of squared? The opposite of squared is square root. So we're going to square root both sides. Now, typically when we square roots, it introduces this plus and minus. We don't need to worry about the plus minus here because we know the answer can only be positive because we're dealing with a measurement. So measurements are only positive. Now, DF, therefore, because the square root cancels out the square, so we need to see the square root of 625 is equal to 25. And remember your units of meters. And that gives you the final answer and a good couple of marks for this question. That's all from me, guys. Very special thank you to our sponsors. Read up more about them in the description below. If you're keen for more videos like this one, visit our website. And if we don't have an answer to your question yet, remember you can send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video. Until the next time, stay epic.